Hello everyone, welcome to the TSS. In this class, we will discuss about the important, very important attribute called class. Okay, let us see what this attribute will do. Very important. So, a major attribute, friends, the HTML class and HTML ID. So, we will discuss HTML class attribute in this session and HTML ID in the next session, friends. Okay, so let us try to understand what the class attribute will do. So the HTML class attribute is used to group the HTML elements and apply some common functionality to the group of elements simultaneously. Okay, let me explain. If you have say some two elements, some h2 headings and some paragraph element is there and a heading element is there, two elements, and these two elements are wrapped inside of division tag. Okay, these two are one division. Okay, and then like that some other h2 tag is there, some dosha and the paragraph description, dosha is super. Okay, these two HTML elements are there, heading element and paragraph element, and these two elements are wrapped inside the division tags. So that means what? This is one division, these two elements is one division, and these two divisions is these two elements is one division, separate division. So okay, let us render it so that you will be able to discriminate between how classes will work and how powerful it is. Let us go to the text and make our browser visible. Okay, let me take one h2 heading, idli. Okay, and next take paragraph element, idli vada sambar is so nice. Okay, these are the two elements we have. Let us save it. Okay, so it appeared like that. We can take some other h2. This time what? Doshai. Okay, so let us take paragraph and let us describe dosa. Dosa is super. Okay, let us save it. So these two are rendered. Now what we will do is we will separate these two into two divisions by making use of div tags. Okay, div tags are used to segregate the code, friends. Okay, so now these two elements will become one division, and if you add div to this code, let me indent this one so that visibly it is clear to us. Okay, so now it is one division and this is another division. Let us save it. So visibly it is visibly there is no difference, but internally these two are separate from each other. Okay, so in the last class we saw this one. If you want to add a background color, then you need to specify it, background color of this particular division, say it yellow. Okay, finish, and you can add, let me save it. Okay, now this particular idli and idli vada sambar is nice. That means this division was colored up. Okay, this division. So uh, if you want the same color to this dosa and dosa is super also, then what you need to do, you need to again type it, okay, background color yellow, you need to again type it. So next save. Okay, so this is one division and this is one division, idli is one division, dosa is one division. So both is having same colors. Okay, what we did here, so we applied the style colors differently, I mean to two different divisions, but the attribute is same. Okay, yellow color only. So in these cases, if you want, I am just explaining it with two divisions. If you had 10 divisions or 20 divisions like this, then just imagine how much work you have to do. So for each and every div you need to manually type all these things. So in order to avoid those that situation, we need to make use of classes, friends. So classes is very smart. So in order to manually go to every div and type this all these things, just erase it. Simple and smart way of getting the things done is just you make use of class attribute. Class is equal to, you can give your custom text, say defense. Okay, defense. So that means what, this particular div is referred by defense. Okay, so and then class is equal to, here also I am giving defense, right? So now what happens, so these div elements means inside the div, these two elements and these two elements belongs to the same group. What group? That is same class. Class or group are interchangeably used, so same class or group, so that is defense group. We made it like that by using attribute. Now let us see. So there is a concept called internal styling. So till now what we saw is inline styling, inline CSS styling, friends. So here and now the CSS topic is coming and going. You don't worry if you don't know the CSS. So CSS is other topic. We will see after completion of this HTML tutorials. We will see that CSS also. But for now, just remember the CSS. So earlier what we did, after div we mentioned style and equal to, we had given property and the value, that is inline styling. Now there is a concept called internal styling. So internal styling will be happen inside the head tags, friends, like title. So we will make use of style tag here. So there is exclusive style tag is available. The style tag must place inside this head tags. So now see the interesting things. Here you can mention defense. Okay, dot defense, and you can describe the functionality, or what is the task here. You need to add two yellow background colors to these elements, right? Okay, right, two yellow elements. So what you need to do for that, just earlier what we had done, we had taken background color, that is yellow. Here simple. Okay, so after writing the style tags, in between the style tags we had referred the category. Okay, what category or what group or what class, all are synonymous names. So Tiffen. Okay, so to refer this Tiffens you need to use the dot notation. Okay, dot, after dot the particular target group, so Tiffens. Okay, then what are all the functionalities you need to apply, you can define here. So background color, just I am giving only one functionality, that is background color yellow. Let us now, you can see, save. Here it is already appearing, no? Let us delete it for now, because you need to see the difference. Okay, now there is no yellow backgrounds. Now I will copy it. Okay, so Tiffens, the target is Tiffens. So the web browser goes and looks, so these two divisions belongs to the same group called Tiffens. So what is the functionality defined here? This is the functionality defined. So the browser will go to each and element and applies this functionality, okay, in a single shot simultaneously. Let us save it. Here you can see now. So at once the yellow color came up. So not only to the two divs, if you have some 100 divisions, so with a single line of code you can all at once make all those elements background yellow. Think, suppose if you don't have this technique of class, so think, imagine how much work you have to do. You need to go to each and every div element, and then you need to put the style is equal to, okay, you take background color, okay, background color some red. So you need to add this bit of code to each and every div. If you have 100 divisions, then you need to put this bit of code to manually in each and every element, okay, to up to 100 elements. So how cumbersome task it is. Okay, so that's why if you want to apply some common functionalities to some common elements, then you need to make use of this class attribute. So what class attributes do is, it will group elements together. Okay, so then it will apply the functionality as defined in the style tags, right? This is the concept, friends. Okay, and not only the background color, you can define more colors, yeah, more functionalities here. So if you want the text color to be red, okay, all at once you can do it. Here this is the change, you can see the change. Okay, so a single line will change the functionality of all this group of elements, right, at once. This is the advantage of using class attribute, friends. Okay, so this is all about class, friends. In the next class we will discuss about id. Okay, id attribute, that is also important like class only. So till then, bye bye, friends. Yours Veera signing off. Thank you for listening.